So for most Lenovo laptops, to turn on the keyboard backlight, all you have to do is press the function button and then press the space bar, and that should turn on your backlight, okay, your keyboard backlight. Now, holding and pressing once will turn it on, pressing again will increase brightness, pressing again will reduce brightness, and pressing again will turn the backlight off. Now, if you find that your specific Lenovo laptop is not turning on the backlight for the keyboard, then it probably means that your laptop does not have that function. Now, not all Lenovo laptops have a backlit keyboard. This is an example of one of those that does not have a backlit keyboard. This is the Lenovo G50, and the G50 to G80 series all do not have the backlit keyboard. So unfortunately, even if you open the laptop, remove this keyboard and look for another keyboard which has backlight, there's not going to be a port for the backlight, for the keyboard backlight. Okay, so you're not able to even change this keyboard for another one with a backlight. So that's just the way it is, and I just wanted to explain to you in case you're trying to turn on the backlight and it's not turning on, and you're looking at tutorials online and you can see how it's being turned on and yours is not working. Just keep in mind that this is not for all Lenovo laptops. It's gonna work for most, but not all. Okay, so I hope this little video was useful. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you. Otherwise, I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.